is a Cara orange that I'm going to repot for two reasons. One, it's got a dual oil pot system that's got two small oil pots. I'm going to replace it with one large one. Also, after a couple of years, the top of the soil line has sunken in about 6 inches. So obviously I cannot add soil to the top. So I'm going to have to take out the plant and put it back in and put some soil on the bottom. Be interesting to see what the root system looks like. I think it'll be a lot different than your normal citrus in a container. This is roughly how the oil pot system will look like. As you can see, there's the two clay pots that were glued together. The bottom one is an 8-inch one that I bought at Michael's. The top one is called an azalea pot that I bought at Home Depot. PVC pipes I bought at Home Depot. Folgers coffee on the bottom. The best way to take out the citrus I found is to tip it sideways. But before I do that, I'm going to take this shovel. Where is it? There it is. And I'm going to stick it into the side walls of this container and then just kind of loosen it on the outside before I tip it over. And that's the plan. Okay, I have cleared away some of the debris, and there is one of the buried oil pots. This one had two. All right, so there is the one of the buried oil pots, and you can see the roots that had started to grow around it, because that's where the moisture is coming from. Over here you can see roots still around where the hole was. Also, you can also see how much this citrus has sunken, how much dirt I need to add. And that's it for now. Okay, I'm gonna compare the old pot next to the new pot, and you can see the difference in size. Okay, here we go. I have put the tree, and it's going to be elevated in a mound to give it room to go down. Keep those roots nice and airy. Okay, here's the pot, new dirt, new oil pot system. Looks great. Gonna do a little pruning later this month.